With the brand new and amazing AI tool I'm about to reveal to you just now, you can use that to make money right there, even with CPA marketing in three different ways. So I'm going to show you three different ways you could use the AI tool to make money online, even as a beginner. And such strategies are actually amazing. All you need to do is watch the video right now to the end to learn the strategy to utilize that and make money online. If you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and other ways to make money online with the use of some AI tools. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out. Also, guys, you could make sure you subscribe to the channel and ensure your notification bell is turned on all to get alerted whenever I release videos that could help you boost your income online. With that being said, let's dive right into the video. The AI tool which we're going to be utilizing is this particular platform called 11labs.io, and this is an amazing platform where you can convert speeches into voices. Right now you could convert your text to speech, you could convert your speech to speech right now, maybe converting from one language to another right now. But this platform is basically known for its conversion of text to speech by creating some cool and amazing realistic voiceovers right here. And you could also go on to utilizing the dubbing features. So it's this new features called dubbing you want to utilize right here. As you can see, you could go into creating a new dub, and with this particular feature you can convert a particular language, maybe a voiceover for a language, into another right now. And you can actually use this for YouTube videos right there by converting the YouTube videos into another language. And what you want to do right now for this first strategy right there is to actually get a YouTube video for maybe the CPA marketing niche. As you can see, I already have YouTube videos on my channel for CPA marketing niche. I could just simply select one video, right click on the video, copy the link address to the video right now. So once you do copy the link address, you want to head back to the 11 labs right now, and you want to just simply go on to pasting the link, because with this platform you can actually convert a video into another language. So you can do that just right here. As you can see, it says no dub yet, please click here to create your first one right now. If I do click on this section right here, I can select either if I want to convert from a YouTube video to from a TikTok video, from Twitter tweet, Vimeo, or other URLs. So I'm just going to paste in the URL to my YouTube video right here and give this a name. I'm going to converting that into any language of my choice. As you can see, I can convert that to a language such as Spanish right now. So if I do come right here, you can see that option is actually not available. Okay, yeah, here is the option right here. So you can see the option right now. I can go on to converting from English to Spanish right there. So that's actually quite cool right now. You want to just simply utilize this feature right here to actually make money, because converting from English to Spanish, you can do just that and go on to maybe inserting a CPA marketing link at the description of your video. And you could get CPA marketing links from this platform called CPAGRIP right here, and you could just simply click on register, be brought to a page where you can just simply provide your basic details, agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes out, then go on to clicking on register to create your account. In some cases, you may be required to go on to verifying your email address. So once you do that, guys, I'm going to log in into your account. So as you can see right now, I'm logged back into my account. You want to come onto this section, click on offer tools, click on my offers, and you can come right here to selecting offers which you want to promote. But since I'm actually dubbing my video into Spanish, I'm just going to go onto the Spain demographic right here, or the Spanish demographic, and you can see this right here. Select that. Once it loads up, you want to just simply go on to selecting a very cool offer from that particular demographic and using that right there at the description of your videos once you actually go on to dubbing that. So that's actually a very amazing or cool strategy you can utilize right now to make money online with the help of this particular AI tool called the 11labs.io. So another strategy which you want to just simply utilize to do so right now to make money online with the help of this AI tool is to actually go on to converting the So another strategy which you could do is to just simply go on to converting short videos. First of all, videos which you get from YouTube right there into another language, and once you convert that, you can use this AI tool called the opus.clip to actually go on to repurposing such videos into 10 viral clips right here. You could repurpose those English videos into 10 viral clips right now. As you can see, this is one long video. You can convert that into 10 viral clips and create videos 10 times faster. It is quite easy for you to do that. You just need to sign up to the platform, paste in the link to that particular video, and just simply click on get clip in one click. You can see right here, this is suitable for video podcasts, educational videos, commentary videos, product reviews, motivational speeches, but it's not also cool for vlogs, gaming videos, and music videos. So what you want to do right now, if you do take a look at these examples right here of videos I actually repurposed myself, you can see that this is the first video right now, this is the second, and if I keep on scrolling down to the bottom, you can see it actually created 10 videos right now, and the 10 videos are actually having a particular viral score which is attached to each video. That score indicates the likelihood of the video going viral as a YouTube short, TikTok reels, or normal Instagram reels right there. So you can see right there, the higher the score, the better it is for you right now. And the first video actually has the highest score, which is 99. So you want to just simply head on to social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube to actually go on to uploading such videos. After downloading the videos right here, upload them on such platforms and use such video as a form of traffic to your CPA marketing offers which you intend on promoting. As you can see, there are a lot of cool offers right here. This offer right now is a pin submit offer that gives you about $17.11 anytime you actually get full conversions to this offer. So that's how cool this actually is. And the third strategies which you can use to make money online is to actually just simply go onto YouTube right now. Maybe if you do have already made YouTube account right there, that you also go on to creating videos each and every single day or creating videos regularly, you can actually just simply go on to offering or creating a new channel and giving out that particular service right there on YouTube in a different language right now. So if for you to actually do that in a different language, you just need to get your YouTube videos and actually use this particular platform to dub that into a different language and make money with that other account right there. So you can just simply utilize the strategy right now. Maybe if you're not having access to maybe if you don't have an account, you can just simply ask a channel owner to grant you access to their videos right there to go on to dubbing that and utilizing that to make money on YouTube as a different language. So this is an amazing strategy which I advise you to take advantage of right now. And if the video did add any form of value, don't forget to hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.